Again, please. And oh, we're ready on air.
Well, my question.
Yeah.
How long have you been practicing farting noises for?
Oh, longer than I can remember.
So can you explain to us how to do them, please?
Well, it's a long-known family secret.
Passed down through the generations.
This is your heritage.
From one Smith to another.
And it's an old Viking tradition of making that noise
Warding.
before you eat lutefisk. So
Ward off enemies.
Could we have a demonstration?
yes. So this is what I call my type A. And this is type B. That's all.
Type A and type B.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you very much.